Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Tonhub Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So start by opening up your Tonhub, and once you are in, you will have two options. Get a new wallet, or I already have one, so most of you will have to create a new wallet. So simply click on it and here, agree to terms and conditions, then click on continue option. Now this is your backup key, so you need to make sure to write down on some paper. Make sure to write it on something that is not online because sometimes it can get hacked and your wallet can also get lost at the same time. And click on OK. And you're going to need to simply create your PIN code and verify it. And once you are done, make sure to enable your Face ID if you have iPhone. Otherwise, you can simply skip it. Now, once you are on this particular page, this is our basic interface. We have our home, history, browser, and our more option on the bottom right, where you can also select your particular theme. Now, once you have selected, that next option is receiving swap and send option. Now, if you want to add some ton into your wallet, you can simply click on the receive option and simply copy your wallet address. Make sure to see that only sent on blockchain asset to this address, otherwise it will be lost forever. So you can simply copy it, and then you can simply share it with any other friend. Or you can also go with Binance or Bybit to send your torn coin into your Tonhub. Now we have send option. It is pretty much similar, you just need to enter the particular address and then proceed further. As for the products on the bottom, as you can see we have staking option earn up to 4.19 on your tons. If I click on it, we have many options of staking polls that you can try now. In my opinion, it is a great place to exchange your ton coin and your USD at the same time. And you can also add your own custom tokens by swapping it for some other tokens or meme coins. Let's say you want to swap it for some Hemi or any other coin. But right now there is no such an option of that exchange. So right now you cannot do this. But in Tonkeeper you have that particular option. So that's basically how you can use Tonhub Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.